Hey, are you part of the Legacy Builders program and maybe you're looking for ways to generate more leads to give them the whole blueprint on social media and be able to grow your social media following and be able to make more $900 commissions? Well, you're in the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over some tips, tricks, and strategies that you can use to get instant conversions that will double with your marketing with paid traffic, and also be able to make more $900 commissions consistently. So let's get into it. If you're getting started with this opportunity or any kind of opportunity, no matter if it's network marketing, affiliate marketing, if you have another peer-to-peer opportunity, or if this is your only peer-to-peer opportunity that you've ever done, no matter what you're doing, you should always brand yourself. So branding yourself is key no matter what you're doing online, and you should always market you rather than opportunity first and foremost. And when you sign up for this opportunity, this is the capture page and the sales funnel that Michelle gives you. And the reason why she gives you this page is because it helps you to get up and get going immediately. And that's what it's for. This page is not built for conversions. This page is built to help people to be able to get up and going very, very easily, right? So if you're somebody who just signs up, they're going to give you this page. They're going to give you her video on the on the thank you page. So when you opt into this page, it goes to the thank you page, which has a video of her, and it tells people about this opportunity. Now, she wants you to use this funnel because it literally requires no further work on your end. The problem is you're not branding yourself. So anytime a lead comes to this page, it's branding her and not you. And there's thousands of other people that are in this opportunity that are using these same pages. So you want to stand out from the thousands of other people that are using the same funnel, these same pages, everything like that. Now, with the structure of this page, it converts about 30% opt-in rate. If you want to double that, I would do these things that I'm going to tell you here in a second. So first and foremost, you want to actually have a solid background. A plain background would convert the best. This box right here is over to the left. I would put that in the center. And the reason why it's over to the left is because she wanted people to see this picture. But seeing the picture is not increasing your conversions. It's all about the conversions. It's all about getting people onto your email list. Because once they get onto your email list, then you could send them the series of emails that will actually help you to get results, right? So you want them to get onto your email list. That is the only reason why you want this page, right? So the purpose of a capture page is to capture contact information. That's the only goal of it. It's not to look fancy. It's not to look cute. It's not to give people information, right? It's really just to get people to put in their name and their email. Then you can actually let them see what you have whenever they are on the other side of this page, right? So when I read this page, it says, discover how to start an online business with a proven blueprint, right? So it says about what this is, and then it says it again right here. So it says the same thing over again, which is 2 times, and it says get access to the proven blueprint that thousands are using to earn daily while enjoying time with their family from the comfort of their home. So it really doesn't say too much. It just says the same thing, these 2 same words right there, and then it says what you're actually getting. So it says, grab your copy of the 10K in 30 days guide. So that's really what you're getting. So pretty much these 2 things right here, it really doesn't give too much information or too much value or make somebody want to opt in. So the conversion rate is going to be low just based on that. It's going to be low based on the picture that's right here. And because my eyes aren't to the center of the page, when I come to the page, they're to the left of the page. So I have to look to the right of the page to see the picture. I have to look to the left of the page to see the opt-in box and read this text. So my eyes are all over this page. It's going to decrease your conversions if you're using this page. So pretty much, this is kind of hypey right here. And that would be the only reason why people opt in, because nobody cares about a blueprint that has no information to it, right? Everybody says that they have the secret sauce and everything like that, but you want to actually give more context to this, right? So in the word, thousands right here, it's in capitals. You never want to, capitalize words. You actually want to put it in underline if you want to emphasize a word. So in all caps, it's known as, shouting in copywriting, right? So right here, it's giving people the idea that if they opt into this form, that they're going to be able to make 10K in 30 days. Now, that's not true for most people. The reason why it works for Michelle is because Michelle's been marketing online for a while. Michelle's a good marketer. She knows how to create bonuses. She knows how to create her own products. She knows how to stand out from everybody else in any opportunity that she joins. She's going to design her own stuff. She's going to create her own stuff. And she's going to create systems around whatever the opportunity is. So that's pretty much what they're doing. So any top marketer that you see, even if you see a video series, they'll do a lot of video series. They're using YouTube to make a lot of their sales. They're using Facebook, social media to make a lot of the sales. And they may use things like TikTok and other things that they teach, but majority of their leads are going to their email list, and they're getting onto their email list, and then they're seeing videos and content that they create that are going out to them, that are building rapport. Because when you see somebody on video, it builds instant rapport. So the things that you want to do is you want to have a better headline right here. You want to take these words, like pretty much, this doesn't need to be, capitalized, and pretty much I want to have the same word right here. So this right here and this right here, it says the same thing, right, on two separate lines. So this stuff is going to give you low conversions if you use this page. And I would do those things. I would make this box a little bit smaller, put less words, and move it to the center of the page. And then they're using system.io. I understand it's good for beginners because it is cheap and they don't have to do a lot of work, but system.io is not the best tool to be using to build your pages out. It's good for beginners and people who are just getting started, but they're still learning how to use it, and everything's connected in this builder. So pretty much if this builder goes down for any reason, you lose everything, including your email list, including your builder, your pages, everything. I would suggest keeping them separate and having a better quality builder that you can actually build your pages out to use with this system, right? So that's what I would suggest for this. And pretty much you want to learn how to create your own bonuses, learn how to create your own offers. When people opt into this page, it's going to brand Michelle because it has a video of her on the thank you page. So when your leads are coming through this page, you're branding her. People don't know who you are because you're nowhere even in this funnel, right? So you're thinking about cold traffic that's coming through this funnel and they have no idea who you are. So you want to have your own stuff, your own systems in place, your own things that you have to help you to increase conversions. Now, you may not be an expert at graphics or web design or anything like that, but you can always reach out to me. You can always book a call. I have a link below that you can actually book a call with me, and I will talk to you. I will help you to get this all set up. If it's something that you want to do for this opportunity, I would suggest you learning how to design your own bonuses, and even better, having people there to help you and support you to build your bonuses for you, right? So people that work with me, we have a team that actually builds out professional, graphics and web design stuff. And that saves me a ton of time because I don't have to do it all myself, right? So that's what I would suggest for you. If you want to increase your conversions, make this box smaller, put it in the center, take out the background, put a solid background in there, and then it will be better for traffic. It will convert better automatically, right? So 30% opt-in rate will probably go up to 40 or 50% opt-in rate. And if you want to know how to increase your results with paid traffic, and you decide you want to get some traffic to this opportunity to be able to make more than $100 commissions, then come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. This is my my traffic store where I help people to get results online. And the reason why you should come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com is because I actually help you to get results, right? If you get traffic from anywhere else, it's normally you pay for traffic and you never hear from anybody. You never get any feedback from them whatsoever. I believe whenever somebody buys anything from me, that they deserve feedback. They deserve somebody to talk to them and help them to be able to get results and to be able to really find out where people are in their marketing. And so that way you can know how to better go forward with your business, right? So it's very important to me that I talk to you. It's very important to me that you're not left alone in the dark, that you're not trying to figure stuff out on your own. And I want to make sure that your stuff is very highly targeted and that you get high quality traffic that's targeted towards the offers that you're promoting, and your capture page and your sales copy are congruent with the offer, right? So that's very important. And you want to know the sources of traffic that you're getting and where they're coming from, because that's very important to know how the traffic is actually being generated. In the strategies that they give, they tell you to use social media. So they're going to tell you to use TikTok. They're going to tell you to use video. They're going to tell you to go online and use online strategies, which is very important. But I would always suggest using Facebook, YouTube, and email. Facebook, YouTube, and email are always going to give you the best results out of any other platform. And pretty much when you get traffic from me, you get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So when you order traffic, you get a mix of different traffic, and we help you to actually increase your conversions. So once you order a traffic package from me, we actually go through your funnel. I actually give you feedback, and I help you to get the highest conversions possible. I have up to 85% opt-in rate with sales. If you scroll down on this page, you'll see the first testimonial. It says 90% opt-in rate with sales. You can see that, and I have plenty of other testimonials, some in the video on this page as well, up top. So take a look at those. And I also want you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because that's very important to know your conversion rate when you're getting any kind of paid traffic. Now, you also want to know where your traffic is coming from, what source it's coming from. So if somebody opts into your page, you want to know that they come from Facebook, that they come from YouTube. You could track every single lead on a lead level. If your tracking is set up properly, and you can know that the lead comes from Facebook, YouTube, Google, solo ads, whatever the method is, you will know where those leads come from. And I want to help you to better list the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, because it's very important. So how this process works is in 3 simple steps. So step 1 is you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. You could select the one that works best for you. 100% tier 1 is always going to be your highest quality traffic. 90% tier 1 means that there's going to be 10% that are from third world countries, and 100% is always going to be 100% English speaking countries, right? Step 2 is after you book the package with me, you can actually have a strategy call. So you could order your package and book a strategy call with me, and we will go over everything that I just mentioned in detail. Then your traffic order will start after your strategy call. Typically, if you don't order a strategy, or typically if you order a traffic package and you don't get a strategy call, it will start within 3 days or less, depending on when you order. But if you book the strategy call, it's very much worth the order to get the feedback, right? So just keep that in mind. And here's some of the testimonials right here, so you could take a look at those for yourself. And here's the 90% tier 1 packages right here. Here's 100% tier 1. So pick the one that works best for you. Here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have questions, chances are your questions down here. And also, here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And this is my disclaimer. I am here to help you. I am here to support you. If you have any issues whatsoever with your order, please reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta. There's a link in the description to go into my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. So you could click on that link below this video and you could go to my group. You could also find my real Facebook page and not a duplicate clone page by clicking on the link below this video and going to the Facebook group. There you will find my real page. I only have one page, so if you see any other pages, it's probably a clone or somebody trying to scam you. So make sure you are on the correct page if you write me a message, right? And my guarantee to you is I guarantee you 100% real traffic, and you will have help and support along the way. The one thing I can't do is I can't issue refunds. So just keep in mind when you order a traffic package from me, all orders are final. But I will help you if you have any issues with your order. I will make sure you get exactly what you ordered, nothing less than what you ordered. I will actually do my best to go out of my way to make sure you get the highest quality service possible, and I will make sure I help you to get those results, right? You just have to be willing to take the first step, make your order, and I will help you out. And you can leave a message down here. I will get that and respond to you as soon as possible. But make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos that I have up and coming. Also, leave comments below if you have questions, concerns, or comments. Leave them below. I will get back to you if you leave a comment below. Also, make sure you get into my free Facebook group, like I was saying before, and click on the link below this video to come to this traffic store if you're looking to get traffic. Also, you can book a call with me before you actually get your strategy call and everything like that if you need the call. So make sure you do those things, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.